Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial explaining how you can leverage ontologies and vocabularies to build an end-user interface with Metafactory. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to first go through the tutorials on ontology modeling, vocabulary management, data cataloging, and instance data management. As you go through this video, we encourage you to reproduce the examples shown here in a separate tab in your tutorial instance. So, let's dive right in and first have a look at some of the instance data we have in our system. We'll use the quick search that comes with Metafactory out of the box and search for metafacts. When we click on metafacts, a default page used to render all instances of type organization opens up. Here we can see all the information available about metafacts, the label, and a map showing the location. If we now search for a different resource, for example, digital science, we'll see the same default page open up with the same set of information, this time for a different organization, so we can see the label again and its location. So how does the user interface work, and how do we generate such default template pages? You have probably noticed the Edit Page button that is available on the top right of most pages. This is a template mechanism for displaying information. When we click on Edit Page, it in fact looks like an empty page because this is a template page. So on the right panel, we see the template for organizations, meaning that this template will be applied to all instances of type organization. Now let's have a look at this template. Here we see the low-code platform approach in Metafactory that uses HTML and CSS, and a number of components that can be parameterized. For example, the map component, to define the type of information to be displayed on a page and how this information should be displayed. Many of the components available in Metafactory work in a similar way, where they can read the underlying ontology and data. And this concludes our intro to Metafactory's model-driven user interface. As a next step, you can walk through a series of hands-on exercises that will help you create your own model-driven end-user interface. Thank you for watching.